For most ordinary people, the probability of witnessing an unidentified flying object is relatively low. However, for pilots who are often active in the sky, it is relatively easier. At the end of 2021, some American pilots saw a strange fleet of unidentified flying objects while on a mission, with multiple luminous objects crossing the clouds, numbering more than a dozen in various formats. What could this be? From the footage taken at the time, the formation of these unidentified flying objects was very neat, with a relatively uniform standing position, and each one looked quite bright. It is said that these unidentified flying objects lasted for about a minute, and then disappeared in the clouds. Later, a pilot asked other people who were on the mission if they had seen such a thing, and it turned out that someone had also witnessed it, but no one could explain what it was or how it was formed. In fact, it is not the first time that pilots have discovered unidentified flying objects at high altitudes. For example, in 2018, an American pilot witnessed a triangular unidentified flying object while flying. At that time, he was at an altitude of 10,000 meters. He later said that the speed of that thing was extremely fast, so he had no time to judge what it was. Of course, it is not just American pilots who have seen similar unidentified flying objects in many places. A friend of a fan once said in a private message that he was a co-pilot and had seen many such unidentified flying objects. Moreover, according to him, this phenomenon of unidentified flying objects is particularly easy to see at night, because most of these objects will emit light, which makes the concealment effect not very good at night and is easy to be discovered. Furthermore, according to the fan, the flying speed of those unidentified flying objects is extremely fast, and people can hardly track their trajectory with their naked eyes. From these contents, it can be seen that many unidentified flying object incidents do occur in the sky, but the key is what they actually are. From this incident, these unidentified flying objects can be arranged in neat formations and move forward, which is similar to some previous phenomena. Many people know that Musk's Starlink program aims to deploy a large number of satellites in space to achieve global public network. Around April 2020, some Europeans took videos of dozens of stars crossing the night sky. This incident caused many speculations. Some believed it was a meteor, while others thought it was an unidentified flying object. Finally, it was confirmed that these were actually Starlink satellites. These satellites were in the early stages of launch, so they were so bright that they appeared to be in a queue. Around September 2021 and April 2022, some people also captured the Starlink satellite queue, which was repeatedly mistaken for unidentified flying objects. However, the queue of unidentified flying objects seen by pilots has a fundamental difference from the Starlink satellite queue, so it can be ruled out that the unidentified flying objects are Starlink satellites. However, the formation of these unidentified flying objects cannot be explained at present, and it cannot be ruled out that they are extraterrestrial civilizations coming from space. In recent years, although human scientific level is getting higher and higher, the appearance of unidentified flying objects seems to be increasing, and the answer has not been found yet. In my opinion, this is because the lack of popularity of camera and video functions of mobile phones in earlier years made it difficult for many people to record unidentified flying objects even if they saw them. Modern people have smartphones, which makes it easy to record mysterious things, which also leads to the discovery of more and more unidentified flying objects. As for what the pilots saw, we cannot determine what it is.